Welcome. Today, we're diving into a simple yet effective way to share someone's Instagram story link directly from your PC. With the latest updates, this process has become even easier. Let's get started. First, open Instagram on your preferred web browser. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one to access stories. Next, navigate to the story you want to share. You can do this by clicking on the profile of the user whose story you wish to view. Once their profile loads, click on their profile picture to open their current story. Now, it's time to select the link from the address bar. When the story is open, look at the top of your browser where you see the URL. This link is unique to that specific story and will allow others to view it. Once you've highlighted the link in the address bar, right-click and choose Copy. This action saves the link to your clipboard, making it easy to share elsewhere. Finally, you can share the copied link wherever you want, whether it's in a message, an email, or on another social media platform. Simply right-click again and select Paste to insert the link. Your friends or followers can now click on it and view the story directly. And there you have it. Sharing someone's Instagram story link from your PC is quick and straightforward. This method not only saves time but also allows you to engage with your audience by sharing interesting content effortlessly. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on navigating social media effectively. Happy sharing!